Taptap Send review: is this money transfer app safe and worth using? Most international money transfer services quietly take a cut you never see coming. Taptap Send built its entire business model around closing that gap. Taptap Send is an international money transfer app founded in 2018 and headquartered in Belgium, with offices in New York and several other countries. It is licensed and regulated as an electronic money institution in the UK, EU, US, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand, and was built specifically to serve diaspora communities sending money to family and friends across Africa, Asia, Latin America, and the Caribbean. Transfers are completed entirely through the mobile app, with no agent visits or branch queues required. The platform earns revenue primarily through a small margin on exchange rates rather than fixed transfer fees, and the typical markup on competitive corridors runs at around 0.7%. On popular routes such as India, Pakistan, Nigeria, and Ghana, transfers are frequently fee-free with near real-time delivery to bank accounts and mobile wallets. The app holds a rating of 4.7 out of 5 on Trustpilot across over 30,000 reviews, 4.8 out of 5 on the App Store, and 4.8 out of 5 on Google Play. Representing one of the stronger customer satisfaction profiles in the remittance category, the limitations appear on less common routes, where exchange rate margins can climb to between 5 and 10%, and where delivery times can extend beyond the minutes the app advertises. Transfer limits are structured across rolling time windows, and larger amounts require documentation, including payslips or bank statements, which can catch users off guard. One reviewer described sending money to Ghana as the fastest and most straightforward experience they had ever had with any transfer service, praising the exchange rate over competitors. Another customer flagged a 5-hour delay on a transfer to Australia, where the app had shown an estimated delivery of minutes, and described the customer service interaction during that wait as unprofessional. A third reviewer commended the app for never asking them to visit a branch or deal with paperwork, calling it as easy as sending a text. Taptap Send is best suited to users in the UK, US, EU, Canada, or Australia, regularly sending money to African, Asian, or Latin American countries where it holds strong partner relationships and competitive rates. Now for the pros and cons. 0 or very low transfer fees on most popular corridors are a clear strength. 95% of transfers arrive within 3 minutes on supported routes. The app is licensed and regulated across 6 major markets. A rating of 4.7 out of 5 on Trustpilot across over 30,000 reviews reflects strong user satisfaction. Setup is fast and requires only a debit card and basic identity verification. The downsides matter. Exchange rate markups on less popular routes can reach 5 to 10%. Delivery time estimates shown in the app are not always accurate on less common corridors. Larger transfers require income documentation that can delay the process. Customer support response times are inconsistent when issues arise. The app is mobile only with no web platform or in-person support available.